What the f did you do?
Clearly, I've had Popeye's chicken sandwich. Can you turn on that light? The big light? Popeye's chicken sandwich. Popeye's chicken sandwich. Hey,
Nothing came out. Nothing came. Close it. Keep it closed. Oh. Oh. I'm squeezing. Oh. Hey. Oh my god, I just pooped. I just pooped. I thought I had a fart and I pushed it. I was like, bye! I was going, and it'll be a funny ending. I just pooped. It's like smashed up against my... I pooped. I pooped. I literally pooped, you guys. Oh my god. Oh my god, I feel it coming through my shorts. Oh my god. Ooh. Oh, it's running out. Wait a minute. Oh my god. I just pooped. Oh my god, I pooped! What? What the fuck? Oh, 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 I'm farting. I'm splattering. Oops. Oops. Pooped myself again. I pooped myself last night. It came flying out of me. The Popeye's chicken sandwiches. And now I just pooped myself in the middle of filming. Again, it just came running out like lava. It's on. I'm literally looking at my chair. My chair is covered. It's big. That is the biggest poop. That's the biggest fucking shit I've ever taken. And I was literally, I'm back home. Shoo-boo-be-doo. Oh. And it came flying out of me. Wait, Nick, edit this out. That broccoli I had earlier, I don't even know what. When we go to Walmart today, I'm going to be buying some diapers for men. Hopefully they have some that go around my waist, because I'm also an overweight man. Most men, older people, they start wasting away. They start shrinking. They start getting really skinny. I need some XXXXL man diaper. You guys, I'm pooping myself more often now, but usually I'm awake. I did it in my sleep. I don't even remember it happening. I don't even remember getting stomach aches. Like, this happens all the time, you guys. When I get stomach aches from the fire sauce, guess what I have to do? I have to wake up and run to the bathroom. Here's an example. 3 days ago, when I did the fire noodle challenge, all night long, I kept waking up every 2 or 3 hours. I'm like, oh, it's painful, my digestive tract pain. And I would run to the toilet and go, by taking the noodles and, what was I supposed to do? Oh. You guys, I just pooped. I just freaking pooped. I pooped myself. Oh my god. I pooped. I pooped. I just pooped. I pooped. Oh my god.
It's like leaking through the chair. Get this out of here. They're never gonna sponsor me again. They keep seeing me poop everywhere. Oh my god. It's literally coming out of my pants. Oh my god. Oh my god, I can like feel it down over here. Oh my god, I'm pooping. I am pooping. I just pooped on the chair. And these are white chairs too. And Orly got very upset. And this last time we had a fight because I pooped on the chair. I don't know what to do. I don't even know what to do right now because it's just, I'm so like loose back there that there's no like shutting door to like keep things in control. And this is so embarrassing. It happens every time. It's literally smashed up against my butt. I pooped. Some more. 8 times 8 is 64. I don't even know. It's like I pooped my pants. I pooped. Oh my gosh, and I'm not even wearing shorts. I have underwear on. I pooped my pants. Yeah, ouch. It's so tight. Why is it so fast? Usually when I have spicy noodles, it takes a long time for it to cut. Oh, you're so dramatic. Jasper, I feel wet under my butt. Jasper. We have to stop. I just pooped. Ouch, it hurts. Oh, it hurts. Oh, Jasper, I just pooped. This is, ouch. Ouch. Why does it hurt so much so fast? It should be like this now. Oh my god, it's really, oh my god, it's coming out. Oh my god. Oh, it feels good. Oh, okay. Jasper. There's poop on my chair, look. And this video's over. Pooped myself! I woke up in a pile of poop! There's poop on my sheets. It's stuck in between my crack. I can feel the crusties. I knew there was something. Jesus Mary, it's just chicken nuggets coming out my butthole! I fucking shit myself. I pooped in the middle of my mukbang again. My butthole is so loose. Everything comes flying out. I was making these noodles and I pooped on the chair. Oh my god. My butthole needs some surgery. Well, what do I think about her? You guys, it's actually been a really good day today so far, but my digestion has not been very good.